Here we have the square root of 18, x to the 7th, y to the 8th. Okay, so we're going to deal with each one separately. So first we're going to deal with the square root of 18. The square root of 18 is not a perfect square root, therefore I need to try to break it down. So I ask myself what times what gives me 18, where one of those is a perfect square root. And I get the square root of 9, the square root of 2. The square root of 9 is 3. Square root of 2 I can't break down any farther. Therefore, I get 3 square roots of 2. I'm leaving that space because I still have to deal with the x to the 7th and the y to the 8th. So now let's deal with our variables. We remember that there's an imaginary 2 there. So I ask myself, how many 2's go into 7? There are 3 2's that go into 7, so I'm going to pull out an x to the 3rd. And I still had 1 left over. So my 1 remainder goes underneath the square root there. So I'm done with the x. Now I'm looking at my y. How many 2's go into 8? There are 4 2's that go into 8, so I'm pulling out y to the 4th. And there was nothing left over, therefore, there's our final answer. We have 3 x to the 3rd, y to the 4th, square roots of 2x.